Good morning, students. Today we are going to do first poem, A Photograph by Shirley Tolson. The poem A Photograph contrasts the eternal state of nature and the transitory state of human beings. The poet describes a photograph that captures interesting moments of her mother's childhood when she went for a sea holiday with her two girl cousins. Yes, go through the poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, moving through water, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she symbolizes poet's mother, the big girl, the elder one, some 12 years or so. The word cardboard is very important because a photograph is pasted on this piece of cardboard in which poet's mother along with her two cousins is appearing. The eldest of the three girls was poet's mother, Shirley Tolson's mother, and both of her cousins were holding the hands of her mother. This photograph was taken when the girls were about 12 or 13 years old. All three refers to the three girls, stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. All the three girls were standing on the sea beach as they had gone to celebrate their holiday on sea beach. They were facing a camera and one of their uncles was taking their photographs. Their hair was scattered on their smiling faces. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. This photograph was taken before the birth of poet, and the sweetest one was her mother. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Their terribly transient feet, TTT, alliteration. And here the poet is comparing, as I have already told you, the eternal state of nature and the transitory state of human being. The poet is describing, she is drawing a contrast between nature, which is changing at a snail's pace, at a very slow pace, and the fast changing phase of human life. The poet recollects how her mother laughed at the photograph and felt disappointed at the loss of her childhood days. So, some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot means photograph. And after this sea holiday, 20 years had gone, then 30 years had gone. But whenever poet's mother looked at the photograph, she would always laugh. And what she would say, see, Betty and Dolly are the names of her cousins. She would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, and mine is her laughter. What she wants to say, that the sea holiday was her mother's past at that time, while her mother's laughter is the poet's past now. With great difficulty and great periods of time, both reconcile with their respective losses and the pain involved in recollecting the past. What does it mean? It was both wry with the labored ease of loss. The poet and her mother, found it difficult to bear the loss of their past. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. And of this circumstance refers to death. There is nothing to say at all. It's silences. Silences, SS alliteration. Silence of what? Silence of death. Her mother is no more now. For the poet, the death of her mother brings great sadness and an acute sense of loss. The painful silence of the situation leaves her with no words to express her grief. Thus, the silence silences her forever. There are 3 stanzas in this poem, and these 3 are depicting different stages of life, that is early adolescence, yani her girlhood, then adulthood and death. And I'm sending the text of the poem as well, and explanation I have told you. You are supposed to do the question answers of this poem in your notebook.